Mr. Weber, you're charged with two cases. You're charged with assault of a family member. You're also charged with terroristic threat of a family or a household member. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you. Just so you know, I appointed you a lawyer yesterday. Your lawyer is here with you now. He is on Zoom. We're going to do probable cause now.
Yes, Judge.
Judge, I don't know if you remember, we did probable cause yesterday. You found probable cause, unless you want to revisit it.
I do, because I don't remember anything about it. And I want to be able to hear it with him so that we're all on the same page.
Hold up, this is where things get tricky. The defendant and the alleged victim both deny an assault took place. But then boom, multiple witnesses paint a totally different story. 3 separate people, all saying they saw punches. That's a red flag in any courtroom. What do you think? Are the witnesses telling the truth, or is something else going on?
Just real quick, if you don't mind.
No.
Okay.
Yes, Judge.
Thanks.
On March 4th, 2025, in Harris County, Texas, officers were dispatched to an assault in progress call. The officer met with the complainant and the defendant, who both stated that an assault did not occur. The officer then met with a witness who stated that he observed the defendant swing at the complainant 3 to 4 times. The officer spoke with a second witness who stated that the defendant opened the passenger door and punched the complainant 5 times. And when the complainant got out of the car, observed the defendant strike the first witness in the torso and shoulders. The officer then spoke with a third witness who stated that he saw the defendant strike the complainant 3 to 4 times with a closed fist and heard the defendant state he would fuck you up to the complainant.
Mr. Webb.
Judge Fliescher isn't playing around here. Did you catch that line about protecting even a small farm animal? That's classic Fliescher intense, bold, and no nonsense. She's sending a loud message. Safety comes before sympathy. And let's be real, when a judge uses humor and power like that, it sticks.
I don't want you to have any contact with this person. Do you understand me?
And Your Honor, if I may, after having contact with the complainant and Sebastian for me as well, we would be okay with no threatening and harassing.
No.
Yes, Judge.
No. I don't want you to have any contact with this person. And I want you to understand now that I'm going to protect every person in my county, regardless of who they are, what color they are. They're a small farm animal. Do you understand? Don't have contact with this person. If I find that you violate these conditions, if I find that you become a danger to my city, if I find that you pick up a new case, I'm going to revoke these bonds and I won't let them hide. Do you understand?
Judge, if I may.
Please.
Judge, the CW was the one that came into court yesterday. She's a clerk for the Harris County district. She's a clerk there in Harris County.
Say it again?
She's a clerk there in Harris County.
The complaining witness is a clerk here in Harris County?
Yes, Judge.
Okay.
She's the one that gave us those affidavits yesterday that you showed me.
I understand, but I've got, go ahead. Go ahead.
She did not have any visible injuries. She states to me and to the district attorney that they were fighting over the keys and that it was just that it was mutual and that no injury occurred. She did not have any bruising again. She told that to the officer when she was arrested. Oh, I'm sorry, when my client was arrested. There were no visible injuries, nothing that would corroborate what the witnesses are saying.
There are 3 different independent, unrelated witnesses who see first 4 to 5 punches in the head, and then as he allegedly takes her out of the car, these same witnesses see 3 to 4 punches in the stomach as well.
Again, Judge, if that were the case, we'd have some injury, Judge. We don't have any injuries that are noted by the police in the report or by the CW when I saw her yesterday or the prosecutor when he spoke to her yesterday, Judge.
Judge, just to confirm, yes, that's what the complaint told us as well. The same thing. There were no visible injuries, no bruising, and that's why I'm asking you, we'd be fine with no threatening harassment.
Come up, ma'am. I want to make sure that every single person here is protected, you know, and 99.9% of the time, I always like to follow what the complaining witness is, meaning you, what your wishes are. Because, you know, I really take that into account. I have to be honest that from what the witness's statements say, it sounds really, really just aggravating and just, I don't want you to say anything. And so when I see something of this nature, it really takes me back. And that's why, you know, there's a method to my madness and why I do what I do, and to, you know, to protect you, because I don't want something to happen to you. That's because you're the person I care about. What would you like?
I have those affidavits in my prosecution for a reason. I never called the police. I don't know what they saw.
I don't want to talk about the case. I just want to know do you want to have contact with this person?
Yes. We deal with a lot of things together. He didn't hurt me, so I don't know.
There is an order for protection that is in place now. I don't give a rat's behind what is going on. I don't care what stressors you have in your life. But if I find that you put hands on anyone, I'm going to put my hands all over your bonds and I'm going to rip it. Do you understand?
This right here is a masterclass in courtroom control. Judge Fliescher is laying down the law. Even a gesture can be considered harassment. It's not about what you think is threatening, it's what the other person feels. That's a huge legal distinction most people miss. Would you have guessed a simple hand motion could violate a court order?
Don't care what is going on in your life. You put hands. It's really not going to go well. Number one. Number two, the court order that I have now, the order for protection, says that you're not to have any threatening or harassing contact with the complaining witness. I don't care what you think is threatening or harassing. It's what she perceives. So can conduct in and of itself violate this thing? If I go like this, is that threatening or harassing? It is, and it will land you in jail. Do you understand? I will do what you wish, but if I find anything happens in the future that hands are put, threats are made, I'm going to yank the bonds and that's it. Okay? So if you guys want to do a rip now, I don't know if you've already done it.
We've already,
But okay.
It's fun, Judge.